investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.
All right, guys, so it's a bit of an unclear day. My sense is that since we didn't have this big move to the downside yet on the Friday to a low, we're probably going to see a move to the downside here, but it's a bit unclear, so I'm out of the market currently. I'm looking for, you would be looking for a good opportunity to open up a long, probably for a trade until tomorrow, but again, it's not the clearest thing, so I'd probably be very cautious today. Probably are going to the downside though, because when we look at this on a 15-minute chart, we're on a downward trend. We probably end up coming down to here, 558. Let's see. Maybe not, but we do come down. Overall, my sense is that we probably do finish to the upside, though. Hey, AV. On the sequence of events on the 1 month, we're already in the Emperor energy. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. So like I said, there would be most likely be another move into this area here. But I would say if we don't come down into this ellipse area here, then the 6 was pretty clearly the low for the month. Because there's chance that we have the low here between now and the 18th, but depends on how far down we go today, I think. Either way, what you want to do is you use this Ace of Cups on the 19th, decline off of a peak, or maybe even the 18th, the halting of a bullish trend. You want to start positioning yourself into a long position for these big moves to the upside that we have at the end of the month. Yeah, I mean, it's a breakout is the theme card, and you can see kind of what happened. We established the support. We've tested resistance. We're coming back down a little bit, and then this should be followed by the breakout to the upside that a lot of people have been waiting for on Bitcoin. And somebody brought up it might have been AV, I'm not quite sure. Somebody brought up a different way to play the Bitcoin rally using, I believe it was Riot. because it definitely seems to have more swing in it. This line here being... Oh, we already had it in there too, funny. I think SPY goes back to highs. You mean like today? Gotta give me a time frame. Yeah, matter of factly, relatively soon, we should see a bit of a turnaround here. I think we get notably more bullish, as we progress into the second half of the day. But I'm still not getting to open up a long. Doesn't seem like it's a right place to enter into a trade. Like, you want to be clear when you enter in, you know? I don't want to give you guys unclear stuff, so there's going to be some days where I'm like, eh. The thing is that the Emperor card sometimes is a down day. Usually it's sidewaysy, but it could be like a decline into a support level too. So if it ends up being that kind of a strong trend, then this might not end up being a high. So we'll have to see. I think it's probably going to be kind of like a sidewaysy day. Probably. Right, because what we need to do is basically establish support around these levels so that we can make new highs here with the abundance card. We've got the October Tesla coming out either today or tomorrow. A bunch more dailies. If you're not aware, guys, we've got Tesla daily predictions by the hour coming out for the month of October. Just like the S&P 500, we've got the SPY by the hour for each day. We're going to have that thanks to one of our loyal customers. I mean, as far as down days, once we get past this Ace of Cups and this Debak card, I think probably the only real big down move that I see a possibility for is right here around the 25th, 26th. There's several big moves to the upside in Bitcoin coming up. And I would say if we don't reach this ellipse here, that's even more indication of big move to the upside. So if you're not in a long position in Bitcoin and you're looking to get into one, you might open up like a small long position here just in case we don't reach these levels. I would wait to open up the majority here around the 19th. Let's take a look at theta. I still have some expectation here of a high taking place in October. If it doesn't take place in October, November, then it likely won't take place in 2024. See another low here towards the end of November, a sharp drop into it. But the thing is, the 2025 reading for theta is so much clearer. The 2024 reading was notably one of the more unclear readings of 2024. Not just for theta, I mean for all readings in 2024. The theta 2024, one of the more unclear. But the 2025, much more clear, and I'm seeing super big move, especially at the very beginning of the year in 2025. I got some angels that are pretty heavily involved in theta. So hopefully we can get them a nice exit here. Yeah, see, the thing is that the September high offers opportunity to open up a long position. That's what makes me think there might be a high in here. That with the Fool card and the Unicursal before this sharp drop, but it's a little risky. The Fool card and the Science card, really. It's a little risky. When is a good time to go long in Tesla? Hermes! I'll be right back, guys. Get your butt over here.
Order filled.
All right, so let's take a look at Tesla. If you're just joining us, I mentioned that the October Tesla reading is coming out, or today. If not today, then tomorrow, but pretty sure today. Just updated the live trading view chart last night when doing the October reading. Looks like we've got a pretty significant high that's going to take place here in October, November. So chances are there's a good entry point on the 19th. Yeah. Hard to say exactly where it's going to be, but I'll put a purple ellipse as an entry point. Oh, nice, already in purple. And I would say you want to open about I'd probably open a full position here, or 75%. Something like that. But it's pretty like erratic behavior. Overall should be decline today. Tomorrow's volatility, there's probably a peak at the beginning of the day tomorrow. A lot of price change on Wednesday. Mixed, however, but a lot of price change. We got the high card of the 2024 reading appearing here. Interesting. I'd probably want to be in partial long, just like 25% of a position right now, just in case, because this cross-reading congruency here does indicate that we might see a high, like, as early as this month. Hard to say if we do for sure, but a cross-reading congruency is an indication of that. Either way, we're going to go higher into October, November, even if there's a little bit of a move to the downside here. So 25% of a position, probably not an awful place to be. All right, my friends, with that said, I'm going to roll. I got to get ready for a doctor's appointment. Most likely what you want to be is in a small long position in SPY. You should be in it already, but that's most likely where you want to be for like an exit somewhere over here. On the 17th. But I will see you guys regular time tomorrow, 3 to 4 p.m. Eastern. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.